Alright, hey guys, today we are going to talk about index law number 6, which is the zero power law. Right? The idea being that if you have any letter, number, whatever, and it's raised to the power of 0, regardless of what the base is, it just equals 1. Right? I know that might sound a little bit strange, but for example, if you had, let's say you had a to the power of 3 divided by a to the power of 3, the same way that you would do if you were dividing, say, 2 by 2, it would equal 1, right? So, of course, if you follow the index law rule that we know, that equals a to the power of 0, which equals 1. Alright? So yeah, let's say that that was the number 6. Number 6 divided by 6, because it's self, right? That just equals 1. And that's the general idea behind it. I'll go through a couple of examples so you can get a better idea of how it works. So, first example, if we had 256 to the power of 0, what would that be? That's right, 1. Right? So it doesn't matter what that base is. If it's raised to the power of 0, it equals 1. Some other things that you might see could be things like this. You might have 10 to the power of 0 plus 6, right? Which is just 1 plus 6, which is 7. Right? Or you could have things that eventually work out to be 0. So let's say you have something like, let's say you have 12f to the power of 6 divided by 3f to the power of 6. Right? Well, 12 divided by 3 would give you 4. F to the power of 6 minus to the power of 6 equals 4f to the power of 0, which equals 4 times 1, which is 4. Right? So whenever you see anything to the power of 0, just remember that it is the number 1. Now, quite often you'll see this as an end part of a question. Very often you won't get, say, these first ones, but you may get something like this. We have to use that knowledge and apply it. So I'll do another quick example, just in case I'm going too quick. Let's say we had 26E12G7. We'll divide that by 2E8G7. Right? So in this case, we have 26 divided by 2 is 13. E12 minus 8 and G7 minus 7, which would give me 13 E4 G0, which is 13 E4 times 1, which is just 13 E4. Another way to think of it is that power at the top tells you how many of each number or each letter are times together. So if there's 0, it's sort of like just pretend it doesn't exist. And that's pretty much where we're at. Right? So I hope that made sense. Yeah. Anyway. Alright. Thanks guys. Take it easy.